Here I have ASUS Zenfone 9, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the slow motion mode, and here by tapping on the record icon you can record videos in slow motion. So let's record something. I'm gonna record just like toilet paper spin as always. So let's get it. So here I go. Okay, we got this. And now let's check out how it will look like on the actual slow motion video. So as you can see here, I roll this toilet paper extremely slow, just like in your favorite Hollywood action movie. Whoa, just look at this breakdance toilet paper. Unbelievable. And one more time. Damn. Cool. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.